It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Back in the UK for a bit. Back in the UK for a bit. Then we're gonna take a flight again. But yeah, we're here with Headie One and Stormzy. Cry No More. It's an official video dropped a couple days ago. We're gonna jump in the one and here with the G them I say. Big up Headie One and big up Stormzy. Let's go!
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go!
Nobody don't wanna die no more. I'm sure nobody don't wanna go hide no more. You don't wanna go caught off the line no more. Nobody don't wanna cry no more. No, I seen years go by, but band been flying more. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta lose the battle just so you can win the war. You gotta go back.
Facts. Sometimes you have to lose the battle just for win the war. Don't look at the bigger picture. Look at the bigger picture. That is what he's saying.
Nobody don't wanna cry no more. No. I seen years go by, but band been flying more. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta lose the battle just so you can win the war. You gotta go back and forth from the court to the roast the court. Two new wax, we playing expensive sport. Me and bro cut into the hood, Lamborghini Aventador. Yeah. I know it's a two-seat, but they say less is more.
I know it's a two-seat, but less is more. Is making a reference to the two-seater car, but the reference is actually bigger than the two-seater car. In a bigger picture, sometimes the less you have, the more you have. We just stop it a while ago for talk about the video for a second. The video, there's so much going on, but it's so simple. Like, the creator for this is a genius. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Obviously, we see it start outside this house with nothing on this drive. And if you go over a little bit, for the next house, you see two big cars on the drive. Like, there's so much symbolistic. Watch it. Not another house here. Look on the house here now. Look at that. So, I'm going to show you which part I'm forward from, which part I'm transition to. Just after the first scene only, like.
You don't wanna go caught off the line no more.
Crazy.
Take you with the fuck up, nigga. Nobody don't wanna cry no more. No, I seen years go by, but band been flying more. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta lose the battle just so you can win the war. You gotta go back and forth from the court to the roast the court. Two new wax, we playing expensive sport. Me and bro cut into the hood, Lamborghini Aventador. Yeah. I know it's a two-seat, but they say less is more. I lost so much beats, feel like I need a pedicure. Best to come up with questionnaires. How can I live? Lamborghini Aventador. Yeah. I know it's a two-seat, but they say less is more. I lost so much beats, feel like I need a pedicure. Best to come up with questionnaires. How can I live my life in fair? I came up, now my wrist is shedding tears. I got this hunting filler with Nina bells, I don't know if death is near. Got me up by tour, bro, let me do stats, come like he the engineer. So much beats, feel like I need a pedicure. Best to come up with questionnaires. How can I live my life in fair? I came up, now my wrist is shedding tears. I got this hunting filler with Nina bells, I don't know if death is near. Got me up by tour, bro, let me do stats, come like he the engineer. 15 with a sawn off long like a bottle of Belvedere. Next thing I'm in H&P, I really had to get mail in there. You know work got sold on the road, I made work still selling there.
There's so, like, yo, if I chat some things to see dog, like, big man thing, bro. That's why I'm not really pausing it because I'm trying to process everything when I say dog. That's why I'm not really pausing.
When Nina bells, I don't know if death is near. Got me up by tour, bro, let me do stats, come like he the engineer. 15 with a sawn off long like a bottle of Belvedere. Next thing I'm in H&P, I really had to get mail in there. You know work got sold on the road, I made work still selling there. I see niggas first start singing like Ella Air. Nobody don't wanna cry no more.
Whoa, we went in, bro. He went in, no joke.
Nobody don't wanna die no more.
Want your Stormzy verse though? Want your Stormzy verse? Let's go, Stormzy.
Sure, nobody don't wanna go hide no more. Yeah. You don't wanna go caught off the line no more.
So We say Stormzy verse about to start outside of the same house with basically Stormzy about to say what am I say.
You don't wanna go caught off the line no more. Yeah. I wasted $1 million drip all I rock is gym wear. 4 bags on t-shirts, 2 bags on skincare. I gotta keep.
I wasted $1 million on jewelry, but all him wear is gym wear. So him tell us say, yo, even though him spend so much on jewelry, he doesn't even wear them like that because him not really out like that. But even though him say him wasted $1 million pan gym wear, look where my wear in the video. Him not have no jewelry. I probably have a watch, I think.
Yeah. I wasted $1 million drip all I rock is gym wear. 4 bags on t-shirts, 2 bags on skincare. I gotta keep my skin clear. I don't know about Q's, just walk straight in there. You sing that shaky.
And say I don't know about Q's, I just walk straight in there. So I'm tell you say, yo, he's a VIP. Him skip all of the line, like there's no queuing for somebody like Stormzy with a statue of that. He doesn't queue, he doesn't queue.
Skincare, I gotta keep my skin clear. I don't know about Q's, just walk straight in there. You sing that shaky song with your chest, but you niggas ain't been here. At the top it's me. It gets lonely sometimes and I look down to a sigh of relief.
Ooh, at the top is me. It gets lonely sometimes and I look down, it's like a sigh of relief. Like, he's basically telling that he's at the top of the UK jail scene. Like, he's at the top. Like, who else is up there? That is what he's telling us.
You sing that shaky song with your chest, but you niggas ain't been here. At the top it's me. It gets lonely sometimes and I look down to a sigh of relief. Cool. My flow's tight like gauge and fee. I'm a grown-ass man, I don't do one side, I do wait and see. I put 2 plates on the side of the game, lay down on my back, then bench it. Cool. My flow's tight like
cool.
It gets lonely sometimes and I look down to a sigh of relief.
He's gonna.
Cool. My flow's tight like gauge and fee. I'm a grown-ass man, I don't do one side, I do wait and see. I put 2 plates on the side of the game, lay down on my back, then bench it. All you can do with your fist is clench it. I might Dave and cinch it.
All you can do with your fist is just clench it. I might Dave and cinch it. Central C, Dave.
Game lay down on my back, then bench it. All you can do with your fist is clench it. I might Dave and cinch it. Take a look at these diamonds wrong, then a man are gonna turn you sprinter. I do the Uno reverse, my ski or summer do beach and winter. I just laugh.
Ooh.
All you can do with your fist is clench it. I might Dave and cinch it. Take a look at these diamonds wrong, then a man are gonna turn you sprinter. I do the Uno reverse, my ski or summer do beach and winter. I just laugh when they say that I can't go higher. I'm a frequent flyer.
I just laugh when they told me that I've peaked. I just laugh when they told me that I've hit my limit. Cause all I do, I just keep going higher because I'm a freaking flyer. Like he's soaring to new heights at all times. He's soaring to new heights, so you can't hold him back.
My ski all summer do beach and winter. I just laugh when they say that I can't go higher. I'm a frequent flyer. My last album's cold, my new one's fire. I might call it Maya.
My last album is cold, my new one is fire. I might call it Maya. Maya, I'm great. Yo. Yo.
I do the Uno reverse, my ski all summer do beach and winter. I just laugh when they say that I can't go higher. I'm a frequent flyer. My last album's cold, my new one's fire. I might call it Maya. I got back pain and I got neck pain, cause I got the weight of the game on my shoulder.
Back pain and neck pain, him have the weight of the game on him shoulders. So basically, him tell us he's single and he's carrying the game. Like, how the MC wanna say? What you guys say? I'm very distracted by what's going on in the background of the video, man. I mentioned it before. Like the video, there's so much going on.
Winter. I just laugh when they say that I can't go higher. I'm a frequent flyer. My last album's cold, my new one's fire. I might call it Maya. I got back pain and I got neck pain, cause I got the weight of the game on my shoulder. Kept saying that it weren't no fluke. I was young like Luke, now I gotta be Yoda. Nobody don't wanna.
Kept saying it was flukes. So basically, they was saying to him, a fluke. Make him get where him get, cause obviously he was young, but now him tell say him whole like Yoda. So instead of
cold, my new one's fire. I might call it Maya. I got back pain and I got neck pain, cause I got the weight of the game on my shoulder. Kept saying that it weren't no fluke. I was young like Luke, now I gotta be Yoda. Nobody don't wanna cry no more. We don't. Nobody don't wanna die no more. I'm sure nobody don't wanna go hide no more. wanna go court, have to lie no more.
The back where it start. House I get set. Oh my god. Oh, to let them are in the house. Yo, let me just say, the video itself, there's a lot of stuff going on in the video. I wanted to stop and break down the video as much as the song, but I just let it play. But I think I'm gonna watch it back and try and dissect what's happening in the video, because there's a real story here in the video, and I don't want you guys to just listen to the words where they must say that. Look, watch the video. The video is so symbolic. Just watch the video, yo. There's so much shit going on in the video, man. Yo, big up. Big up Stormzy and big up Headie one. Buckler, two giant. Big up on the safe dog. Two African star that's doing it. You see me? Yeah, dog. Gonna make an appearance, bro. That's to Ghana. To Ghana, man. Ghana is my favorite African country, by the way. And if I was to go to Ghana, if I was to go to Africa, it would definitely be Ghana first. Ghana is first on my list to go. I need to go and visit Ghana still. But yeah, big up the 2G them, man. Big up the 2G them. This time I'm gonna leave the one still. If you enjoy that one, I want to see more from the G. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you want. Leave it in the comment section which video I should react to next. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a record.